And then we have the beginning on the next quarter, and their allowance is at a certain level. And during the quarter, they have a write-off. During the quarter, they identify a certain customer who has defaulted. That brings down both the asset and the contra asset, the allowance. And then the allowance is now at a lower level. Let's suppose they have another write-off, and they get to the end of the quarter. At the end of the quarter, they will redo the exercise. They will again create the aging schedule. They will again calculate what the allowance balance should be, and that will allow them to see how much to top it off. They will recognize the bad debt expense that gets the allowance from the lower number that it is currently sitting at to the value that it needs to be based on the aging schedule. And then again, throughout the quarter, they will have write-offs, actual bad news materialize, get to the end of the quarter, recognize the bad debt expense to bring the allowance to where it needs to be. So you see a pattern here that throughout the quarter, you have bad news that actually happened that lead to the loss accrual bucket getting lower and lower, get to the end of the period, top it off with an income statement charge, and repeat that over and over.